Now this right here is a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now the company has opted to switch from Tizen OS to Google's Wear OS. As a result, things have changed a little regarding the UI, both on the app and the watch. So if you want to get the maximum out of your smartwatch, this video is for you. This is One from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, I'll be talking about some of the coolest and the easiest and the most useful tips and tricks for your Galaxy Watch 4 that every user should know about. Let's get started. Now, one of the biggest changes in the Galaxy Watch 4 is the app arrangement. Now, while previously all the apps would be arranged in a circle, now they are arranged in a hexagonal list. Thankfully, it does not take long to rearrange them as per your choice. All you need to do is tap and hold an app and drag it to the place of your choice. Pretty cool, right? Now, like its predecessors, the Galaxy Watch 4 also allows you to change and customize the watch faces for your watch. You can select from a minimal watch face or an activity-focused watch face. The best part here is that you can customize these watch faces further and bring your favorite complications to the table. For instance, if you want the AQI, barometer and step counter to show up on your home screen, instead of breathe and sleep complications, you can do so. Now, to customize the watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, just long press on the watch face to go into edit and then customize. Once done, tap on each of the complication spots and pick one as per your preference. Now, I use my smartwatch to get notifications that are, they're on my phone, but I don't want to take out my phone from my pocket. But the idea behind it is that I only want important notifications, not all of the notifications that come on my smartphone, right? Well, here's how you can choose the apps that you wish to be notified for. To make the changes, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone and tap on Notifications. Now just select the apps that you want to receive the notifications for. Simple. Now the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 also lets you transfer your favorite sounds and tracks from your smartphone to your watch. As such, you can just directly pair your wireless earbuds to the Galaxy Watch 4 and just use that to listen to your favorite tracks without even having the need to carry your smartphone. To do so, head over to Manage Content tab and select Add Tracks. Once done, select the tracks and then hit the Done button. And that's it. Now the quick settings or the quick panel on the Galaxy Watch 4 lets you go about your job quickly. Just pull down the panel and tap on the button of your choice and the mode will be activated or deactivated. The best part here is that you can customize the quick settings as well. To edit the quick panel, open the companion app and tap on the quick panel button. Now tap on the minus sign for the functions that you don't need. Once done, rearrange the tiles as per your liking. Okay, now did you know that with the Galaxy Watch 4 you can actually use gestures to pick up or reject calls? Well, here's how to do that. For that, open the Wearable app on your phone and navigate to Watch Settings, Advanced Settings, Gestures and toggle the buttons for both options. And that's it. You can now use gestures to answer or reject calls as shown. Now the watch lets you send a couple of set responses when you receive messages and texts. The default messages are generally like yes, no, thanks, etc. However, if you want, you can send longer responses as well. Now to add quick responses, go to Watch Settings, General, Quick Responses, and then scroll down the page until you see the button for Add Response. Type in your custom message and that's it. Pretty cool, no? And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is One from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.